Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Gboard is present and your phone is ready. If not installed, get it now from the Play Store. Once done, make sure battery and Wi-Fi are stable for any updates. Next, open Settings and navigate to Additional Settings or System Management. Vivo labels can vary. You're choosing the area that controls language and input. Do this first so the system menus are already loaded. That makes the following steps faster and avoids mid-setup interruptions. Once inside Language and Input, tap Current Keyboard to view options. This is where you swap keyboards. Make sure you select Choose Keyboards or Manage Keyboards to see the Gboard toggle. Enabling it gives Gboard system access to type and show suggestions. You'll be prompted to accept permissions, allow what's required for full functionality. After enabling, switch back to Current Keyboard and pick Gboard as the active keyboard so your changes apply immediately, and you can now open the Gboard app to personalize languages, themes, and layout so typing feels natural. Customization improves speed and accuracy. Then test typing in any messaging app to confirm it appears and suggests correctly. If the keyboard doesn't show, restart the phone first. That often resolves permission or input method registration problems. If problems continue, clear Gboard's cache or reinstall the app. These steps reset corrupted data while preserving your Google-synced preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.